When building your splash page, the first thing you should do is to select the login method of your preference. Boundless Guest includes a large variety of login methods, such as social login, ticketing, sponsorship, SMS, or the classic registration form. Once you've selected your login method, go ahead and set it as default. Next, you can start customizing your splash page. You can upload your own logo to the platform or copy it from a link. You can also update the page background. Select a plain color, a gradient, upload your own image, and even customize it per device size. The text can be easily edited, as well as the fields. You can remove existing fields or add new ones to your form. Once you're done building your splash page, click on Publish.